31 cash apps and websites in 31 days. That's what we'll be talking about today. Today is day 1. I'm gonna check the playlist because you're probably watching this after day 1. I have a playlist of all 31 videos. Plus, check out all the other videos I have on my channel. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog about making money online, saving money online, and so on and so forth. So please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out of all kind of really cool stuff on my channel. Like you can check out some of these videos like this, cryptocurrencies, daily raffle app, Venmo money, as it's called, and a bunch of other cool stuff. Also, if you're interested in making a living online with websites and stuff like that, you can make a part-time income, full-time income. You can get started for free. Check out the link, the top link in my video description below. It looks like this, and you can start making some money there. You get a free account to start with, some really cool stuff. Indeed, check that out as well. So in this series, like I said, 31 cash money or cash apps and websites in 31 days. I have a bunch of websites and stuff like that and cash apps that I've been using and been testing out as well that I'm going to go through. So really cool stuff. You're going to want to check out them. Like again, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And let's get into the first app of the day, or first app of the series rather. It's a cashback app, very easy to use, very simple. Let's check it out. All right, so for the first app here, it's a really cool app. You just, for iOS and Android, you just install it and then you sync up your debit cards and credit cards. That's all you need to do. And then when you go shopping with those cards, they're gonna give you cash back. Let's take a look at this. See, it all adds up. The app is called Dosh. You'll earn cash back when you shop, dine, or travel. Simply download the app, link your cards, and start earning. No coupons or receipts scanning, just cash that adds up into your wallet simply by shopping the way you normally do. It's awesome. And I've been using this for about a year now. And I'm gonna show you some other ways to get money from this app as well. And I do have a referral link down below. Please do use that. And then you're gonna get something extra, perhaps. Sometimes they change the rules. So here's some of the brands: Walmart's, Instacart, Pizza Hut, Disney, Dunkin'. There's a lot more other places, like over 100,000 places to get cash back. So chances are you shop at some of these. I just said this on my phone. I completely forget about it. And then every now and then again, I have some money. And let's take a look at some of the ratings here. So this is the iOS store here. And has a 4.7 out of 5, so a very, very high ranking. And that's with over 100,000 ratings. So very, very good. And then for the Android, we have a 4.5 out of 5 with over 41,000 total reviews. So obviously a very legit app. And another way to make money from this app is by referring people. Here's some tips and tricks too. But you can refer people. And so I appreciate using my referral link that I have down below. And then I have another video that you can check out on the best practices to get referrals, best websites and stuff to use like that. So check that video out. I'll put that in the link in the video description below as well. So yeah, there's lots of ways, not lots of ways, but it's very easy. Because like I said, you just add it onto your phone, you sync up your debit cards and credit cards, whatever you go shopping with, and you forget about it, and then you just get money back, you know. And you can stack this with other cashback apps as well, which is cool because I use a bunch of different cashback apps. And whenever I use those cards when I shop, as I normally do, I get money back on multiple different apps. So pretty cool. And like I said, there's all kind of stuff you can read here to get the best out of it, make even more money, and so on and so forth. It's, like I said, one of the very simplest ways to make money with these kind of apps. So that is app 1 in my day 1, or my 31 apps in 31 days. Check out the other videos. There'll be a playlist here as well of all the other apps that I've been using and been testing out and stuff like that. All kind of really cool stuff. Please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. And hit the subscribe button to be notified of new videos coming out. So depending on what day you're watching this video, obviously all 31 could be done by now. So just check them out. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.